guys, welcome back to day 9 and we're doing this super cute mummy today. Going in with my not polished black for my base. Gonna get that shape nice and popping, and once we do, we're going in with not polished matte top coat today to give us a smooth base so that we can do all of our artwork. Then I'm gonna cure that. Once that's nice and cured, make sure that you have some gloves on so we can get into this design. I'm going in with some Savvyland spider gel that I got off of Amazon. You just want to put some in between your index and your thumb. Then we're going to get into this design. The only thing that you want to do is open and close those two fingers so that you get the stringiness. And it doesn't matter what direction you go, you can switch it up and make it nice and cute, just like this. Notice how right here in this area, it's very much minimal. That's because I'm going to draw some eyeballs right there. So I'm going in with some white gel polish and a dotting tool, and I'm going to draw my dots, and then I'm going to cure those. Once those are cured, I'm going in with my Mia Secret resin because I'm about to put some rubies in these eyeballs. You know, the mummies and stuff be buried with their gems and stuff, so I'm going to put some gems on it. And then I didn't know if I wanted him to be cockeyed or not, but I felt like, no, let's just leave it alone. Let's just leave it. Once that's dry, we're going to go in with some alcohol. We're going to wipe away the inhibition layer so nothing is sticky and no hairs stick to our design. And once that's done, we're done. Look at my mummy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Girl, I know you got some spider gel that you're not using. Make you a mummy. I think it'll be really cute with green eyes too for some emeralds that be popping. Oh, Mr. Mummy, you're cute. I love it. I love it. I love it.